Another method to select objects is to use the select by elevation command. So you can select data such as a set of surveyed points or lines that lie between a high and low points of your project. So on the home tab, I'm going to use over by the selection panel, I'm going to use the select by elevation. And you can put in a max and a min elevation. So if I wanted to find everything between, let's say, elevation 250, or let's say let's go 300 for my max and 250 for my min. I can pick objects within that range, or whether it's entirely within the range or partially within the range. When I click apply, you'll see it'll select everything that falls within that range. Now you can also do this and find everything at a constant elevation. So if I want to find everything, let's say that happens to fall at 257 and 257, so I just picked on that line and it grabbed the elevation from it, and click apply, you'll see that it only picks that line in this case, or it would pick any point within or any object within that elevation. Now if I go back to the 250 or 300 and the 250, you'll see that in this case it's only picked up the polylines. So if we look at the properties of this, you'll see that now I can come in, because they're all CAD polylines and they're all the same object type, I have the ability to come in here and set the elevation to something different. Or I can change the name or the properties of it, such as layer or color. So that's the select by elevation.